Thyme. Just the word makes me think of hearty stews simmering on the stove. This little herb, with its tiny leaves and powerful aroma, has a history as rich and layered as its flavor. We're talking thousands of years, folks. Ancient Egyptians used thyme in embalming. Talk about preserving something. The Greeks, they loved it in their baths and burned it as incense. Romans, always up for a good conquest, spread thyme throughout Europe, believing it brought courage on the battlefield. Over time, thyme's reputation went beyond the battlefield and into the kitchen and medicine cabinet. Monks cultivated it in monastery gardens, recognizing its culinary and medicinal value. It became a staple in traditional remedies for everything from coughs to stomach aches. Fast forward to today, thyme remains a beloved herb worldwide. It's a testament to its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, thyme offers something special. And let's be honest, who doesn't love an ingredient that stood the test of time? Now let's get cooking. Thyme's flavor is what we call earthy and warm, with a slightly minty, almost lemony undertone. It's incredibly versatile. Fresh thyme sprigs add depth to soups and stews. I love to use it with roasted chicken or fish. The aroma alone is incredible. Chopping the leaves releases even more flavor. Think hearty lentil dishes, robust tomato sauces, or even a simple omelette. Dried thyme is a pantry staple. It's more concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to homemade bread, or use it to create a flavorful marinade. And don't be afraid to experiment. Thyme pairs well with other herbs like rosemary, parsley, and oregano. Remember, the key to using thyme is restraint. Its assertive flavor can easily overpower other ingredients. Start small, taste as you go, and let this little herb work its magic. Don't let its size fool you. Thyme is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed in those tiny leaves are vitamins C and A, both antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. We're talking immune boosting, vision protecting power. And that's not all. Thyme is a good source of dietary fiber, iron, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for healthy digestion, energy production, and bone health. Think of it this way. You're not just adding flavor to your food, you're adding a nutritional punch. Incorporating thyme into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Section 4. Nature's Remedy. Thyme for health and wellness. For centuries, thyme has been prized for its medicinal properties. Remember those monks in their gardens? They were onto something. Thyme contains thymol, a natural compound with antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Traditionally, thyme tea was a go-to remedy for coughs, sore throats, and chest congestion. It's believed to help loosen mucus and soothe irritated airways. Thyme is also thought to aid digestion. It may help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. Some folks even believe it can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. While more research is needed, the historical use of thyme for medicinal purposes is fascinating and suggests potential health benefits. Section 5. Bringing thyme home. From garden to table. One of the best things about thyme, it's incredibly easy to grow at home. Seriously, even if you think you have a black thumb, you can handle thyme. It thrives in well-drained soil and loves a sunny spot. You can grow it in pots, window boxes, or even tucked into a corner of your garden. Imagine fresh thyme at your fingertips whenever you need it. No more last-minute dashes to the grocery store. You can snip off a few sprigs to elevate your cooking or brew a soothing cup of tea. Growing thyme is a rewarding experience that connects you to the earth and the ancient tradition of herbalism. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.